Good morning everyone. We have completed our jump start. We have started with lesson 1 large numbers. So I'm going to send you the video related to it. Now the first question that we have in jump start is use the clues to find out in which year the following devices were invented. So here a telescope is given. I am telescope, a telephone and a television. So here as you can see the clues are given to you. This is the expanded form and he says that you have to write in standard form. So how to write in standard form? Firstly, this is, as it is not having any zero, so this is at ones place. It is having two zeros, so it means that it is having hundred place, so there is no tens place, and it is having three zeros, so it means that it is at thousand place. So what you are going to do is you will start from the back. Ones, we don't have tens place, so we will write 0. We have 6, so we will write 6. 100 place, so 6, and 1000 place once. The year we get is 1608. So this is the years that the telescope made. So telephone now 1876, so we will write 1 comma 800, so 8. Tens place we are having 70, so 70, and 6 6. So as the name is given to you, I am the smallest number formed using the digits 9 1 2 6, but while keeping 9 at the 100 place, so we have to make the smallest digit here. So what will be the smallest digit if we have to make 1269, right? But he says that we need to take 9 at 100 place, so we will keep the 9 at 100 place. We will begin with 1, then we have to keep the 9 at 100 place. So the smallest number after 1 is 2, so we will write 2 at tens place, and 6 will remain at 1, because 9 we have to keep at 100 place. If we need not to keep the 9 at 100 place, we would have written 1269, but as he has said, there is a situation that you have to keep 9 at 100 place, so we will keep 9 at 100 place. Okay, so write the year in which the telescope and television were invented in the words. So telescope is invented in 1608 year, and the television is invented in 1926. So write the place value of 6. Now 6 place value. So here as you can see, ones, tens, 100. So that's why 600 you can write. 600 is also right, and 100 is also right. Here telephone, as you can see, ones place, so that's why 61, and here also ones place, so we will write ones. Okay, now he says that you have to arrange this in ascending order. So for ascending order, we always write the smallest number first. So 1600 is the smallest one, then 1876, then 1926 will come. Okay, for descending order we always write the largest number, for ascending order we always write the smallest number. Read and write numbers up to 9999 in figure and words. Can you do this? Can you write it down till 1000 and read it? Yes. Then afterwards find the place value of the digits in the given number. So yes, you can find the place values. Yes, you will put the tick, and then express a number in standard and expanded forms. So yes, you can write the expanded form also, standard form put tick. Compare and order numbers up to 9999, so put a tick here. Then afterwards form the smallest and the largest number with given digits, so you will put tick all here also. So you have to tick all these things. Then afterwards we have done page number 7, but before going to page number 7, what you have to do is we have to discuss this Indian place value chart. This is also known as Hindu Arabic numeral system, number system, and this is also called Indian numeral system also. And there are two types of number system. One is Hindu Arabic number system or Indian numeral system, and there is one international number system also. So international number system we will do it afterwards. Till now you have to cover till lakhs. Okay, I have written till crores, but you have to cover till lakhs, so you have to learn till lakhs. So ones period, we have 4 periods here: ones, thousand, lakhs and crores. Ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, crore period. In ones period we have 3 place values, that is ones, that is having 1 digit, so we have written place value 1. Then tens is having 2 digit, and we have written it place value 10 with 10, and 100 3 digit, and it will have 100 100 like this. Then we have thousand period. Okay, ones is represented by O, tens is represented by T, 100 is represented by H, thousand is represented by TH. So it consists of 4 digit, and it can be written as 1, 000. Okay, Then 10,000s. 10,000 is represented by TTH, double TH, 5 digit. It consists of 5 digits and it can be written like this, 1 and 4 zeros. Okay, then afterwards we have lakhs. Lakhs is having 6 digits and it consists of 6 digits and it consists of 5 zeros and 1. Okay, 10 lakh is represented by TL and it consists of 7 digits and it is represented by 1 and how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay, then we have crore. It is represented by C and it consists of 8 digits and it has 1 and 7 zeros. Then afterwards we have 10 crore, that is represented by TC. It consists of 9 digits and if we have 1 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. So by this we have covered till crores and there are many other periods, but we will be studying this much, ones to lakhs period. Okay, so here firstly we have been given this question that you have to tell the place value and face value. Place value is at the which place value the number is kept. Face value, as your face does not change, face value also does not change, it remains same as the number. Okay, so the place value, as it is written ones above, O is represented by ones, so 8 ones. What is face value? I have told you, it the number itself is the face value, it will not change, so we will write 8 here. Then tens, we have 0 here, so we will write 0 tens and 0 here. Then afterwards 9 is at 100, H is represented by 100, so 900 and the face value will be 9. Then we have 7 at 7 at 1000 place, TH. TH is 1000 is represented by TH, so we will write 7000. You should learn the spellings of this, and 7. Okay, face value is 7. Now afterwards 6, 10,000 is represented by TTH, so we will write 6 10,000 and the face value again 6, the same number. Okay, then 3 lakh, L is lakh, so then 3 lakh, or you can write like this also, 3 and 5 zeros, and the face value is 3 here. You can write in number also, you can write in words also, both are correct. Now we have to write the following numbers in expanded form. So what I have told you to do is, you can write the number name also and then you can write the expanded form also, so that you people can practice properly. So we will start from behind, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So how you will read this thing? Firstly this period 10,000, 10 and 1000 period, and we don't have anything at 100 and tens place, so we will read this 8. 10,008. So I have written 10,008 here. Then how to write the expanded form? 10,000 plus 8 is also correct. 10,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is also correct. Both are correct. As we don't have 1000 place value, 100 place value, tens place value, so that's why we have written 0. Then afterwards here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we will read this together, 67,736. So we will write like this, 67,736. We have every number, we have placed every digit, we have digits on every place value. Okay, so we will write how to do it. 6 we will write how many digits are there afterwards, 1 2 3 4, so you will write 40. After 7, how many digits are there? 3, so we will write 3 zeros here. After 7, here we have how many zeros? 2, we will write 2. After 3, how many zeros are there? We have 1 0, so we will write 1 0, and 6 we don't have any digit, so we will write 6 only. Okay, now here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, so we will write 1 lakh 500 because we don't have anything in between, so we will write 1 lakh. 1 lakh why? 1 2 3 4 5, so 50, and then afterwards 500, so we will write 500. This question I have given you as homework. This question I have given you as homework, so you can do it. Okay, now afterwards we have completed exercise 1.1, question number 1 and 2, question number 1 and 2. So we will be doing question number 1 and 2 here. Here first question is, place commas at the right places in the given number. Also write the number name of it. So we have to put the commas here. So I have already put 89023 is the number. So we will start from the back. We will write first the ones. We have to write the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is ones period and this is thousand period. So we have to put the comma in between. Okay, so how to read this number? 23. 2, 3 together, 23. This is thousand period, so 23,000. We don't have anything at 100, so we will not read it. 98. You have to read all three number together in ones period. Okay, so 98. So 23,000 comma 98 we have written. Okay, now from the back again, ones, tens, 100 comma, because ones period is getting over, 1000, 10,000 comma, because thousand period is getting over, then lakh. So how to read this thing? 2 lakh 10,000, because this is thousand period. 987. 2,10,987. You have to read this number together, then this number. 2,10,987. Then again, ones, tens, 100, 1000. You always have to start from the back. Don't start it from here, front. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So here 1,10,000. We will write 1,10,000. Don't have anything else. Here also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 2 lakh, then 7. 2 lakh 7. I have given you some extra questions to practice. Okay. Then you have to do it in your notebook. Notebook work in notebook and book work in notebook. Okay. Fill in the blank. One is done for you already. So here what you have to do is 75,000 comes right after. Means he is saying that you have to tell the which number, after which number 75,000 comes. So he is asking for the predecessor of 75,000. So 75,000 minus 1 is 74,999. 42,599 comes right before. So he is asking that which number he like after that after 42,599 which number comes. Okay, so it is coming before which number. So he is asking for the successor. So this is quite a tricky question. You have to tell the successor here. So 42,599, so it will be 600. Now these two questions I have given you homework. Here largest 5 numbers is 99,999 plus 1. Okay, so he says that what should I add so that I can get smallest 6-digit number. This is largest 5-digit number, and then this is smallest 6-digit number. So 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. If we add 1 in it, so we will get smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. Okay, so 99,999 plus 1 is 1 lakh. So by this we have completed our exercise 1.1, question number 1 and 2, page number 7, and word jump start also. Okay, bye bye students.